Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the error that says Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 must be enabled when trying to play Highguard. This fix is done directly through your BIOS settings, so let's get started. First, open the Start menu and click on Settings. From here, go to Windows Update, then click on Advanced Options. Next, select Recovery. Under Advanced Startup, click Restart Now. Your computer will now restart. Once your PC restarts, you'll see a blue screen. Click on Troubleshoot, then select Advanced Options. Now click on UEFI Firmware Settings and press Restart Now again. Your computer will now boot directly into the BIOS. Inside the BIOS, this will look different depending on your system, but you should see a section called Boot, Advanced, or Security. Look for Secure Boot and set it to Enabled. Make sure Secure Boot is fully enabled before moving on. Next, locate TPM 2.0. This option may also be called TPM, PTT, FTPM, or Security Device Support, depending on your BIOS. From the drop-down menu, make sure it is set to Enabled. Once both Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 are enabled, choose Save and Exit. Confirm the changes and allow your system to reboot into Windows. After your PC restarts, launch Highguard again, and the error should now be fixed. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.